Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're playing the First Descendant and running that frustrating preparing shaders error, you're not alone. Fortunately, there are a few fixes that might just solve the issue. Let's dive right to them. First, check the graphics driver updates. Outdated drivers are a common cause for this issue. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Most PCs have a special app that makes this process super easy. Just open it up and let it do its thing. Next, make sure your game is updated to the latest version. Game developers frequently release patches to fix bugs, and an older version of the Fire Descendant might be causing the problem. Check for any updates and make sure you're running the most recent version. Now let's talk about verifying the integrity of game files. It's a game files are corrupted. This could definitely cause errors if you're on stream. Just follow these steps. Open Steam on your PC. Go to your library and find the First Descendant. Click on the magnet or manage button. Open the properties menu. Go to the install files tab. Click on verify integrity of game files and wait for to finish. If it's all fails, you can always try reinstalling the game. Sometimes a fresh install is all take to fix those pesky errors. But before you go down this route, definitely try the other methods first. Reinstalling can take a while. That is it for today. Quick fix guide. I hope one of these solution works for you. Let me know you in the comment below. If you have any questions, don't forget to hit the like button if you have found this video helpful. Catch you in the next video.